Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm thinking of a neon eye. Honestly, I paint my nails neon because of this. I'm inspired by Nikki Tutorial's new nails she just got. I looked for a photo of them. She doesn't have one posted. But I do have this little video of her discussing when she's gonna go do the hike in France. But yeah, I love them. It's like this neon pink to orange, yellow, and then to green. So I want to try to put that on my eyes today, just for something fun. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm actually just going to start with the eyes, because it seems like the easiest thing to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime them with this white. You want a really flat base for this because you want the shadows to pop, so using white would be one of your best bets. To show actually how inspired I was, I drew it out. The idea that I wanted to, because now the eye looks, I see it had like just the bright green on the outside. They usually go from the pink to the yellow and stuff on the inner corner. So I want to try it a little opposite. It may look hideous, but we're just gonna go for it. And for today's video, I'm just using only the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. So with this eye look, I think you can start in many different ways. Like if you want to start in the inner corner, you can, or start out. I'm going to start on the outer corner. Yeah, I'm going to go in with this limey green first, and then maybe dip into just a little bit of this brighter green, because we're going for more of a neon look today. And I'm going to use this like angled eyeshadow brush in that light green. This also reminds me like when I was drawing it out of like those popsicles, like Rocket Pops or whatever they're called. It'd go from purple to yellow to green or something. I'm not sure if anyone else has them, or Cosmo Pops. Can't think of the name of them, but if I find a photo, I'm going to insert it. And I'm going to bring this eyeshadow right on the outer corner of the eye, all the way down onto the lid. Oh, this color is gorgeous though. And don't worry about the outer edge, we're going to clean that up. Now using just the bright yellow shade in this brush, I'm going to dip into there and put that right next to the green and stamp it on. So next for the orange, I'm going to try to go in with this highlighter orange that they have in the palette. And I have to admit this one isn't the best. If it doesn't work out, then we're going to go in with the pink and then try to blend that together with the orange and mix those. Now we're going to go in with the hot pink shade. There are two shades. I just swatched them here in my hand. That could be used. This one here is very, very bright, and then this one here is down here just a little more muted. So first I'm going to go in with this one, and then maybe dust this one closer onto the lid. But I think I want this one here. And just pack that on. And now at this stage, I actually think I'm going to go back in with the yellow and try to mix those two together a bit. And to assist in that blending, I'm just going to go with the same brush we used with the orange, just to mix those together. I'm honestly in love with this eye look. Oh my god. Then just softly blending the pink. And another blending brush with the yellow. I think I want to just add a little bit of depth to that green. So I'm going to take that bright green that we used in the palette and just a bigger blending brush, and I'm only going to use that on the lower part of the lid, right down here. Now to highlight the inner corner, I'm actually just going to go in with a little bit of the white shade that they have. It's like an iridescent pink one for the first one. The next one is more iridescent blue. So I'm just going to dot that right on top of that pink. I feel like a big wing is in order for this look, so I am going to line it in black. I'm very bad at explaining how I do my winged liner, but the gist of it is that I start from the outer corner and then create my sharp line my inner corner, and then after that I connect the first line about halfway around my pupil to the outer part of the wing, if that makes sense. If not, just watch. We're going for big and bold. I'm the worst at getting my eyeliner straight. Like even. No, well, like sisters. Now, we're gonna clean up the edges and then move on to the face. So I was looking for an eyeliner to line my brow line and I can't find any of them. So I'm just gonna take this liquid eyeliner and dot it underneath. This is just to make all your lashes blend together, and especially when you put your fake lashes on. So my lashes today are actually just these super spiky style lashes. Hoping I can get them to stick on. I don't have any other eyelash glue besides a old Kiss eyelash glue, so little mascara on. Something I saw today, or just thinking of now, that I used to never put my eyeshadow this high because I'd be like, it has to stay on your lid or be around your lid. And I was looking at old makeup looks that I posted and had, so I'm thinking I might recreate some of them that I used to do. I think that'll be fun, you know? Lashes are on. Alright, now moving on to the face officially. I'm going to use, I want to keep the face actually pretty flat. So I'm going to use Matte Finish Foundation. The more I use this, the more I actually kind of like it. So I'm going in with that on a sponge. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Body Shop Matte Clay Concealer. I'm using the shade 42 because I want to highlight the under eye. And I'm just going to set that off with the big fluffy brush and the AOA setting powder. So I'm filling in my brows with a brow powder. I'm going to do it the same way as normal. I really don't change up my brows too much. And I'm going to use a brow gel. For a highlight, I'm going to use the same one that we used on the inner corner, right below my brow bone. Just the smallest amount. Then I'm going to actually take a little bit of this lighter pink to blend in this inner corner just slightly. I'm taking that bright pink that we used this one, and dotting that right in here. So I'm going to take my white liner, Kajal liner, and line my waterline. Before I move on to the other side, I'm going to take the lime green shade and dot that right on top of that white. Now I'm going to take the bright yellow and put that right below the lower lashes. And taking the pink and blending those together just a little bit more. Taking my mascara and lining and going on my bottom lashes. Rest of the face, and now I'm going to bronze up. For blush, I'm going to make this a little bit risky. I'm actually going to take these two shades here mixed and use those on my cheeks. So I'll put it in the pan, and then I'm going to blend the brush around on my hand, then go in on my face. And to highlight, I'm using the same shade we were using all along. And for lips, I'm going to keep it simple, and I'm going to use this Ultra Glossy Lip from ColourPop. It's a little shiny, but it'll help with the overall look. So I'm going to use NYX Liquid Lip just to tone it down. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed so much. I think this is super fun. You can modify it any way you like, really. Yeah, like if you didn't want to even put anything on underneath, bring the pink in only so far, and then do maybe like a white in the inner corner. You could do that, or, well, the options are endless. And yeah, so if you liked this video, please like it and thumbs up. Please feel free to subscribe as well, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye!